So you want to make passive income online. In this video, I'm going to share with you 5 ways that I've been making over $10,000 a month passive income for over 3 years now. What's going on, everybody? My name's Steve Raiken. I run the Raiken Profit YouTube channel, and I love making money online. I started my online business a little over 7 years ago, and matter of fact, 10 years ago, I'd gotten arrested. I'd gone to jail for doing some stuff that I shouldn't have, and my life was completely different. I was $23,000 in debt. You know, at the time I was 250 pounds, I was smoking 2 packs of cigarettes, I was working, I ended up like getting out of jail, and I was working at the Cracker Barrel. My life sucked. It was absolutely miserable. And since then, I've been able to build a YouTube channel. I've started multiple online businesses that I'm gonna talk about in this video. And this is actually a real video. I just can't take it anymore. I watch these videos on YouTube with these internet marketer, keyword hacking son of a guns who put up these videos about passive income, and it's like the most ridiculous ways to make money online. It's like you're gonna put in 20 hours to make $11. You're gonna go do surveys. Like, some of these people who are posting videos on YouTube are absolutely full of you know what. This video is legit. I've done this, and I wanna share with you 5 ways to make some really good money passively. And before that, I'm actually gonna preface by saying passive income isn't all about sitting on the beach and drinking mojitos and relaxing and hanging out with beautiful women. It's possible, but passive income is only possible when you first put the upfront work in necessary. There's no such thing as just making money and doing nothing in return. You've got to put effort into it in the beginning. Even real estate. Real estate's not on this list because we're talking about ways to make money online passively, but everyone talks about passive income with real estate. And yes, it's true, you could earn passive income with real estate, but you've got to spend the time to locate the deals, get the financing, fix up the property, land tenants, so on and so forth. And the same applies with an online business. So unfortunately, I know some people are going to click off this video and be like, screw this guy, I want easy ways to get rich, and I want to make $1 million in 20 minutes, and I want to watch keyword hacking YouTube videos. If that's what you want, then click off this video, please. But I'm going to show you and share with you 5 ways that I've actually been able to earn passive income online. But I want to preface by kind of defining what passive income is. Yes, you could earn passive income, which means you can make money doing nothing, but there's typically a lot of upfront work, and then there's maintenance. So with that being said, let's jump into passive income idea number 1, Amazon FBA. So there's multiple ways to make money on Amazon FBA. Some are more active and others are more passive. Some active ways to do it are going out to thrift stores and garage sales and auctions and flea markets, and sourcing on Facebook Marketplace and sending items in. That's one way to do it, but a more passive way to sell on Amazon FBA, I'm gonna give you a couple options, is one, online arbitrage. So there's actually a software that I use called Tactical Arbitrage. I'll put a link down below. And that allows you to be able to filter websites such as Target, Walmart, different companies online, and you can buy their products online, and then you can have them shipped to what's known as a prep center. So these are places that will receive your items and then ship it off to the Amazon warehouse for you. Tactical arbitrage is great. I have tons of friends earning passive income. It takes work, but I'm calling it passive because you don't have to touch it. You don't have to sit there and really do anything. I mean, you're just placing orders. You can actually have a virtual assistant doing it. So that's one way to make somewhat passive income on Amazon. Another way is wholesale. So I actually just had a couple of my good friends, Dan and Dylan, of the Wholesale Formula on my YouTube channel. And what they do is they build relationships with wholesale manufacturers. And once they build a relationship and they end up putting together a deal on products, all they do is place a phone call and say, hey, I need 300 more of these products. And they get a wholesale deal because they're buying multiple products at once, so they get a discounted rate. They have the items shipped to a prep center and then shipped to Amazon FBA. Amazon FBA is essentially fulfillment by Amazon. You find products, you ship them to Amazon, and then when it sells, Amazon picks it, packs it, and then ships it to the customer. That's another way. And then the third way with Amazon FBA is something called private label. So essentially what private label is, let me parallel it with maybe your grocery store, like Whole Foods. Whole Foods has cereals that are branded by Whole Foods. I know they have a private label brand. What is it called? It's like 365 or something. Or maybe if you go to Stop and Shop, which is a grocery store that I have, there's Stop and Shop branded cereal and meats and different products and stuff. All they're essentially doing is sourcing a product, a generic product that's not trademarked, it doesn't have like any rights to it, and they're placing their own label on it, and then they have control of the marketing, the price, so on and so forth. There's tons of people right now making tons of passive income with private labels. So those are 3 options within the one platform at Amazon FBA. Number 2, this is a great way to make passive income online, and I'll tell you what I do. So what I do is I go to a website called onlinejobs.ph. You can go to raikenprofit.com/VA for virtual assistant, raikenprofit.com/VA, and I hire people for as little as $2 an hour from the Philippines, which you might think is like a ridiculously low wage, which it is in the States, but in the Philippines it's actually a pretty solid rate. And I've hired people to write ebooks for me. So I have over 200 ebooks published on Amazon Kindle, right? So these are Kindle ebooks that people could buy, just ebooks on the Amazon ebook store. And pretty much what I do is I research niches that people want to learn about. So maybe gardening for beginners, or meditation 101, or maybe a certain type of martial art, or the keto diet. And I find niches and keywords. It's kind of like keyword hacking in a sense. You're finding open areas in the market that aren't served, but there's demand. There's a whole process for this. I'll put some links down below to some videos I've recorded. But essentially, I hire people from the Philippines to write ebooks for me, and then I publish them on Amazon. And every time it sells, Amazon will deliver the ebook to the customer, and I'll get a royalty. So at one point, I had scaled that business to over $10,000 a month just with that business. Now, one thing to know about Amazon is they're always changing the rules. That business doesn't make nearly as much money anymore because the rules changed and a bunch of things ended up happening, and I ended up focusing and shifting my attention elsewhere. But there's really good opportunities with Kindle. So this is what you do. I'm gonna give you some more tips. Get the ebook written, right? Then here's 2 more ways to make passive income. Take that ebook and upload it to createspace.com. Essentially what that is the physical version of the ebook. So you have that ebook published as a CreateSpace book, and when someone buys that book, it's a physical copy, Amazon will print the book and ship it to the customer. It's insane. So now you've got 2 passive income sources from just one thing of work. And then number 3, you can take that digital Kindle ebook, which you turn into a CreateSpace book. You can hire someone on audible.com to voice record an audiobook for that book. And there's partnership programs that Audible offers. It doesn't cost you any money up front. And that's 3 streams of passive income from one. Thank me later. Trust me, it's a good opportunity. You can make really awesome profits from that passive income idea. Number 3, YouTube. You can make a lot of passive income from YouTube. Again, it takes a lot of upfront work, but I have videos of mine that make $200 to $300 a month passive income from 2015. So the crazy thing about YouTube is it's a search engine, just like Google, and things rank, right? What's rank mean? So maybe you type in the keyword selling on eBay. Rank is what video is number 1, what video is number 2, what video is number 3. If you create a video that gets a lot of watch time, a lot of likes, a lot of engagement, adds a ton of value, and it's evergreen, which means it can add value to people for years on end, some of those videos rank in the search engine and they get tons of views. I have a video that has almost 800,000 views, and it's made almost $10,000 every single month on autopilot. It makes $100, $200, $300 profit. And on YouTube over the last 5 years, I've made about $162,000 income. I'll put a screenshot on the screen. And Martin, if you're watching right now, you are because you're editing this video. Let me put another screenshot up right here of that eBay video. I think it's made like $9,000. So you can make really good money with YouTube. Again, it takes a lot of upfront work. How do you get paid? Google owns YouTube. Google owns the AdSense program. So essentially, we all know that Google and Facebook and all these companies, they know everything about us, right? They know what you want. They know what you like. They're tracking everything that you're doing. So essentially, when you sign up for YouTube, all you got to do is turn your monetization on, which means they're going to put ads. And YouTube automatically chooses the ads to put on your videos that are most relevant for the viewer. You don't have to worry about it, and you can make really good money. I've had some months where I've earned over $5,000 passive income from just my YouTube channel, which is amazing. Number 4, affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing is a great way to make passive income. What is affiliate marketing? Well, let me tell you in the form of a story. Say, for example, I was making a video about virtual assistants, and I actually already did this in the video. So maybe I was talking about virtual assistants and hiring people for $2 an hour from the Philippines, and I mentioned a website. Well, what you can do is I use a service called PrettyLink on my website, RaikenProfit.com, and what PrettyLink allows you to do is take an affiliate link and mask it and create your own URL. So you remember when I told you to check out Online Jobs PH? I said go to RaikenProfit.com/VA. That was just an affiliate link, which is a special link that OnlineJobs.ph gave me. And when people purchase through that link, I earn a commission. So a great way to earn money through your YouTube channel, through your Facebook or your blog, is to create valuable content that helps and serves your audience, and then just recommend products to them that you know would help them. The reason people get in trouble with affiliate marketing, or they don't make a lot of money with affiliate marketing, is one, they promote crap products that their audience doesn't care about, they don't want, and then they lose trust for you and they never buy from you again. And number two, a lot of times people promote like a lot of Amazon affiliate links and like really low ticket, low dollar offers that aren't gonna make you a lot of money. I've made over $140,000 just in like a 5-day period promoting a course in the past because it was over $2,000. So the real big money with affiliate marketing is, number one, creating a big following and creating a bunch of people who trust, like, know, and are willing to buy from you because they trust your recommendations. And two, finding a product, a high ticket product if you can, or creating your own product and selling it through your channel, whether that's a Facebook page, a Facebook group, a YouTube channel. But affiliate marketing is great. All you need is a special affiliate link. When someone clicks through it, it's cookied, which means it's tracked. And if you have a good affiliate that you're working with and a solid dashboard, you'll be able to track all your analytics and make some really good money. So that's like probably my number one way to make money is affiliate marketing, but it takes a while because either one, you have to master paid traffic, so you have to learn how to run Facebook ads and YouTube ads, which is a pain in the butt and costs a lot of money, or two, it takes time to build an audience. How do you build an audience? Add massive amounts of value, help people, listen to people's problems, create content, document your journey, and people will start to gravitate and follow you. So that's number 4, affiliate marketing. And number 5, you can make awesome profit. It's a very lucrative business just sending out emails. How do you make money sending out emails? Well, what I've done on my YouTube channel is I've created what's known as a lead magnet. So all you have to do is you have to give away something for free. Maybe it's a free ebook or a free course. We have a free ebook that's called 100 Amazing Items to Resell. It's 100 amazing items that you can go to thrift stores, garage sales, auctions, flea markets, and you can buy and sell on eBay for a really good profit. My partners and I, we created that book and we gave it away 100% for free. Now we created what's known as a landing page, which is just a one-page website that allows people to put in their email and their name. And when they do, they automatically get the book for free, but in exchange, we get their email. So over time, you build up a large email list of people who you know are interested in reselling, or you know are interested in fitness, or you know are interested in cryptocurrency. And when you have a large email list, you can add more value, you can help, you can serve, but you can also sell products to them through email. You can promote other people's products through them. You can do a whole bunch of different things to be able to monetize your brand or your content. So email marketing is one of the best ways to earn passive income. Now, how do you do that passively? There's something known as an autoresponder. So look it up, email marketing autoresponder. And essentially what you can do, and what I've done, I have a particular affiliate product that I promote that earns anywhere from $3,000 to $10,000 a month. Over the last year and a half, it's made $150,000 profit for me and for the affiliate. So we've generated almost $300,000 just through mostly free YouTube videos and my autoresponder through my email marketing. And speaking of affiliate marketing, the email marketing service I use is ConvertKit. So if you go to RaikenProfit.com/ConvertKit, you can check out the email autoresponder that I use. But an autoresponder is essentially a set of emails that you create beforehand. So you know how I said we were giving away the book, 100 Amazing Items to Resell? Well, when somebody gets that book, we get their email, and then they get thrown onto an email list. They get tossed, they get thrown on it, right? And what we did is we created about 40 or 50 emails giving away free content, sharing blog posts, sharing videos, but also promoting products. And we built that into what's known as an autoresponder, which means every day or two, these emails automatically get sent out to subscribers based on when they subscribed. So I know this might be going over your head a little bit, and you'll have to do some research, but just know when you build this email list, there's a couple ways to make passive income. One, you could send out broadcast emails, which is a little more active. Or two, you can just spend like a week, create like 50 to 100 emails that are really good, have them go out over a 1-year period, and then build in little sales pitches or promotions into the email. I like to follow the motto, jab, 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 right hook. Gary Vaynerchuk talks about that. So what's a jab? A jab is a free video. A jab is a free blog post. A jab is a free book. A jab is, just jumping on a coaching call for free with somebody. And then the right hook is promoting a product that you've created or a service or selling something to them. You want to give away 90% of your stuff for free, but sell 10% of the time. That's how you do it through email marketing. So hopefully you guys found value in this video. Smash that like button if you actually appreciate a video that's legit. Unlike a lot of these internet marketing gurus who are posting these videos that are just ridiculous. I know these strategies aren't get rich quick, and you're not going to be able to just come in and just build an Amazon FBA business or an ebook publishing business or a YouTube channel or affiliate marketing or a huge email list. You're not going to be able to just do that instantly. But nothing really good and amazing will ever come into our life without us planting that seed and nurturing that seed and going on a journey and putting in the hard work. If you want something that's going to serve you and pay you and create value for you and your family for years on end, you've got to put the work in now. So get started, plant that seed. Pick one of the things. I'm looking down at my little, if you see me looking down, I've got some notes here, but pick one of these passive income ideas, Amazon FBA or ebook publishing or YouTube or affiliate marketing or sending email. Pick something and just get started. I'm so grateful I got started 7 years ago. So hopefully you can do the same. Let me know down below what business model you want to learn more about. If you enjoyed this video, like, comment, subscribe, show some love, get this video out to more people, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace.